the love restrained. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? 'Cause nothing lasts forever, and we both know hearts can change. It's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. We've been through this such a long, long time, just trying to kill the pain. Oh yeah. But love is always coming, love is always going. No one's really sure who's letting go today. Walking away. If we could take the time to lay it on the line, I could rest my head just knowing that you are mine. All mine. So if you wanna love me, then darling, don't refrain, or I'll just end up walking in the cold November rain. Do you need some time on your own? Do you need some time all alone? Ooh, everybody needs some time on their own. Don't you know you need some time all alone? I know it's hard to keep a broken heart, even when friends seem out to harm you. But if you can heal a broken heart, wouldn't time me out to charm you. Sometimes I need some time on my own. Sometimes I need some time all alone. Ooh, everybody needs some time on their own. Don't you know you need some time all alone? And when your fear subsides,